Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Explorer. Just a quick update video on Electroneum. Several things has happened in the last couple of days with Electroneum that I think it's worth making a video about. A lot of this is from Electroneum's Twitter and not from their main website's news section. Maybe it will be posted there later, but for now it seems like Twitter or Facebook is the quickest way to get news, up-to-date news from Electroneum. So the first piece of news is the Electroneum app for iOS. Apple has approved it, and the Electroneum team is looking for 10,000 beta testers. If you want to be a beta tester, they have a form for you to fill out to apply, and it's right over here. And if you look on their Facebook, it states that the mobile mining will not be available for iOS, but they are looking at cloud mining for iOS, and possibly, if that works out well, they'll extend it to Android users. Electroneum posted a video on their YouTube with a bit more detailed explanation. Yeah, I'll put a link in there so you can watch it if you haven't watched it yet. So when I first bought into Electroneum, I like the idea of mobile mining, but currently right now I'm not a fan. The focus of getting folks to mine on any device is beginning to seem like a distraction from Electroneum being used as a cryptocurrency for the masses. Now, it's the mobile cryptocurrency, but I don't know. The focus on mobile mining and getting that going seems to be a distraction, and that's just my opinion. Part of me thinks that they should have done a proof of work phase in the beginning, then a proof of work, proof of stake hybrid down the line, and then move towards proof of stake only, which kind of brings me to the next piece of news. On July 3rd, Electroneum required all node owners to update their software at block 32,400. This gave only 36 hours for node owners to update. The main reason for this urgent update is to ensure the Electroneum network runs smoothly and has a stable block emissions. According to their Facebook post, Electroneum never got back the number of GPU miners needed to ensure the Electroneum network runs smoothly. They're claiming that folks are mining Electroneum in a selfish way, and doing it in waves. I'm assuming they mean folks are mining when difficulty is low, and then when it gets too high, they stop and don't start mining again until difficulty comes back down again. So their solution to this was to update their code to allow ASICs to mine Electroneum again by going back to the old Kryptonite algorithm and not the new ASIC resistant Kryptonite V7 algorithm. This seems to have been motivated by the Coinbean listing contract and their exposure to 1.5 million active users. While I understand the opportunity, personally, I'm a bit disappointed with the move. Just over 3 months ago, if we go over here, yeah, you see welcome ASICs back. And then back in what day? The blockchain update of May 30th. That's when they became ASIC resistant, and this was posted on April 25th. You can see the number one item on the Electroneum blockchain tech update was being anti-ASIC. And they put in here that limiting mining to GPUs reduces the chances of a single entity possessing enough hashing power to attempt a 51% attack. It is important to note that there's no proof of a 51% network attack having taken place on the Electroneum blockchain. Anyway, back then, that was their reason for becoming anti-ASIC. Yet on this post on the 5th, it's welcome back ASIC miners. So I'm not too sure how I feel about this, to be honest. I mean, I would prefer that they were ASIC resistance, but we'll see what happens and see how it progresses. This could be a good move or could be a bad move for Electroneum. For now, I'm just going to continue holding. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.